This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Front shock absorber replacement. Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering column. Lift the hood safety latch. Raise the hood and support it with the prop rod. Apply the parking brake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the front wheels. Support the outer end of the lower control arm with a floor jack. Warning: the jack must remain in this position throughout the entire procedure. Using a backup wrench on the stem, remove the shock absorber upper mounting nut, washer, and bushing, noting the order in which they are installed. Remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt and washer. Note the direction in which the bolt points. Then remove the shock absorber. Install the new upper bushing and washer onto the replacement shock, then guide the shock into the upper mounting hole. Use a pry bar or a large flat screwdriver to pry up on the bottom of the shock to align the bolt hole. Then install the lower bolt and washer. Tighten the lower bolt, but not completely yet. Install the remaining upper bushing and washer. Then thread the upper nut. Using a backup wrench to hold the shock center rod, tighten the nut to the specified torque setting. Tighten the shock lower mounting bolt to the specified torque setting. Remove the floor jack from underneath the lower control arm. Repeat this procedure for the remaining front shock absorber. Install the front wheels and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Remove the rear tire chocks.